Welcome to Prime Tech Automotive YouTube channel. On this video, I'm just going to show where the auxiliary battery on a Toyota Vitz. Most people ask question, it's hard to locate it. So you need to lift the uh, rear seat and it's under the seat where the auxiliary battery is. And also that's a hybrid battery. And also at the same time, I'm just going to show where is the VIN number located. It's under the right hand seat, and also that's where the engine number is located. So you need to look through the front generator near the EGR cooler line under the inlet manifold.